Can you recreate a complex multi-page form originally designed in Microsoft Word in Fluix's dynamic form builder? Yes, you can. Let's take a look at a real-world example, and I'll tell you why using Fluix's forms versus Microsoft Word printouts are so much smarter. Driving a Caterpillar 793 is no small task. It takes training and extensive evaluations to make sure a driver can operate this huge equipment safely. Mining companies like our customers have adopted Fluix in order to automate their training evaluation process before allowing a driver to start operating one of these engineering marvels. We've taken a form that looks like this in Microsoft Word and turned it into this in Fluix. Everything you need and nothing you don't. Text fields, drop downs, check boxes, signature fields, email fields, you name it. But what makes this even more special is how it can be used in Fluix. Let me show you that. Rather than have that form attached to an email and sent back and forth from one person to another, you can automate the entire process by attaching that form to a task stream within Fluix. One of our customers has a field trainer do that exact haul truck 793 evaluation process on a daily basis with employees. As the evaluation is passed, the evaluation is moved from the field trainer to a senior supervisor and then to a final training coordinator. And it's all managed within Fluix following a task stream. The field evaluator will complete all of the required fields of the haul truck daily training log. You can see it attached here. They'll pass it on to the senior supervisor, who can only review the form and sign off on it in their one field here. And after they sign off on it, it's passed on to a training coordinator who can only sign off on that form here. Now in their case, they have one safety net. The training coordinator, if they see something they don't like, they can either approve the process and pass that trainee and their evaluation, or they can route the document back to the original field trainer that submitted the evaluation. And they can allow that person to make edits and resubmit it back to the supervisor. Now, you can get more sophisticated with this and employ conditional logic to allow these processes to happen even automatically, where if a field evaluation results in a trainee not answering certain questions very specifically or not demonstrating certain skills very specifically, then they're automatically failed from the evaluation and they can't continue as an operator. Now, in this case, our customer hasn't gotten quite that sophisticated and doesn't have that conditional logic. But that is the power in taking a Microsoft Word form that gets attached to an email and sent from one person to another and turning it into a Fluix form that can be dynamically used in a fully automated process involving conditional logic or user choice logic with either or and options. Once this form and this process is complete and the trainee has been approved for operation, a copy can be uploaded to any cloud storage that you use. SharePoint, OneDrive, Dropbox, Google Drive, even Fluix storage. You can send courtesy copies to the trainee, to the trainer. You can send them to other recipients. You can even share it to a separate HR system that you use that has its own API that you can configure. So many things are possible by taking your Microsoft Word forms, let alone your printed forms, and digitizing them within Fluix. If you have questions about whether the Fluix Form Builder or our professional services team can help recreate your existing forms for automation in Fluix task streams, click the Get Started button on our website to speak with an expert in process automation. Thanks for watching.